Most people believe that being smart is all about having high IQ, memorizing endless facts, or getting straight A plus in school. And because of this outdated fact, they spend their life acting emotionally, letting their ego drive the bus and wasting energy on things that don't even matter. They mistake being loud for being right and being busy for being effective. But true intelligence isn't about raw processing power. It's about emotional regulation, observation, and specific mental habits. Today we are going to break down 5 key secrets that separate the top 1% from the rest of the average. And the last one is the easiest one that you can start implementing right after you finish watching this video. By the end of this video, you will stop spiraling when things go wrong and stop feeling the need to win every interaction. You won't just look smarter, you will actually possess the calm, controlled focus that will allow you to navigate life with less anxiety and more power. Secret 1. Argue to understand, not to win. Most people approach the debate or an argument with the sole intent of being right. They attack the other person just to defend their own ego. Treat the conversation like a battle that must be won. Smart people realize that the truth isn't a trophy that you win. It's something that you uncover. Instead of fighting, they ask genuine, curious questions like, what makes you think of that? Or help me understand why you feel that way. This approach makes the other person feel safer rather than challenged. It prevents defensiveness, lowers the temperature, and actually creates an environment where minds can be changed. Secret 2. Think in systems. Always see the bigger picture. When an average person faces a failure, like a rejected job application or a bad score in a test, they panic. They spiral into self-doubt and take failure personally, viewing it as a character flaw they have in themselves. Smart people zoom out. They view failure not as defeats, but as data points and feedbacks. They ask themselves, what system created that result? And what logical adjustments that I can make within myself to get success the next time I do that? Then, my friends, problems stop being a personal attack and turn into puzzles. You stop acting like a victim and start acting like an engineer of your own life. Secret 3. Focus on only what you can control. A massive amount of energy is wasted by most of the people on things which are actually out of their control, like the weather, the past, or the other people's opinion, what they think about them. Intelligent people just use a simple binary filter. Is it something that I can control? Yes or no? If the answer is no, they let it go immediately. And if the answer is yes, they take action on it. What happens from this is you stop spiraling around in anxiety. By conserving your energy for the things that you can actually influence, you move forward with calm and consistent focus. Secret 4. Use silence as a superpower. Most people are uncomfortable with a dead air. They rush to fill the silence. They rush to fill the silence with noise, unnecessary opinions, or distractions because quiet make them nervous. Smart people are comfortable with the quietness or with the silence. They listen significantly more than they speak, and they aren't afraid to pause for few seconds before they speak. Silence creates tension and weight. It makes your words much more powerful when you actually do speak, and it keeps you in control of the interaction that you are having. And the secret 5. Observe instead of reacting. The average person runs on autopilot. They snap back instantly when get annoyed or panic immediately when they get scared. They let their impulses dictate their actions. Smart people create a gap between trigger and the response. When triggered, they actually pause and ask themselves, is this actually worth getting upset about? Insight beats impulse. By observing rather than reacting, you gain control over the situation. And then you make choices that actually serve your long-term goals, not your temporary emotions. So, my friends, the overarching message here is that you don't need to be be louder, faster, or have higher score to be smart. You just need to be more aware of things around you. And here is your quick action plan. Don't try to chase everything at once. Pick one of these habits, like using silence or focusing on what you can control, and practice strictly for that for the next upcoming week. And let me know in comments which habit you are picking up next to learn. Subscribe to the channel and watch this video next to learn how to build conversations and never run out things to say in a conversation with anyone. See you.